Hello people, today I am trying to show you displacement tool in Photoshop. So using displacement tool we get something like this, which is nothing but a print on a Terycloth towel. So let's move into the topic. So I have some Terycloth towel sample, free sample. You can find it on internet with some free sources or similar sources. Press Ctrl 0 so that it fits the screen. First let's convert this to smart object. For this, click here, convert to smart object. So the displacement images looks good with blur. So let's go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Let's make it just 1 pixel. Also the displacement images, to work with displacement images we need to play with contrast and brightness, which is better handled when it is in black and white. So just convert this to black and white, and to adjust the levels we again click the levels and play with the levels to highlight the areas that you want to. Feel free to move these arrow marks around. Okay, this looks fine for me. Now let's merge all the 3 layers and convert them to smart object, single smart object. Now right click on the layer, duplicate the layer, duplicate this layer to a new tab and call it something called distort something, and click on OK. Now save this distort as PSD object so that we can work with displacement later. Save as, choose desktop so that it is easy. I'll call it with the same name, distort. Save. When you see this kind of message, just hit OK. It is about compatibilities. Now come back to the original layer that we were working on. So we need to undo all the actions that we have done so that we have the original image that we have downloaded from the internet. For this you can do undo by using Ctrl Alt and Z pressing together, or else you can simply go to history tab. If you don't find history tab here, go to Windows and you can select history from here. So I have history already, and you can revert to the step that you want the undo to be done. So I'll just go back to until I have converted smart object. Now I'll just go to add text, right click on it and select horizontal text type. I'll use some font like Oswald. You can play around with whatever font types you want to, and I'll have some font size around 175. I'll leave it blank, color as black, and central alignment I choose caps for the entire text. Click OK and go to move tool. You can use V as shortcut and arrange it somewhere in the middle. You can increase the size if you want. I would like to just increase a little bit. Now go to this tool which is called rectangle tool, right click on it and you should find something called custom shape tool. Once this is selected, change this to pixels, go to your shapes and click on the settings button here, and you can select from the list of thumbnails you have by default. You can select all or whichever you want here. When you see this window, you can just select OK. So now I have these things here. I'll select this paw here. Now select this wheel icon over here and make sure this is in defined proportions and from center. Before this, you have to create a new layer. Now I want to draw it somewhere around here. So hold the left click and drag it. You have a paw here. Create one more layer and drag it somewhere around here. Go to move tool and just flip it to the other side. Something like this. Click OK. You can have as many as footsteps you want, but this looks fine for me. Delete the empty layer. Go to layer 1 and you can adjust the size a little bit and drag it nearer to the other paw. Make sure both the paws are of similar sizes so that it looks better. Click OK. I'll merge these two layers. Now I just want to remove the overlapping of these footprints or the text. So I select rectangular marquee tool and I just select my text. By pressing Alt button, I click on layer mask so that the footsteps that were overlapping on the text are gone. Now select both the layers by holding Shift command and convert it to a new smart object. Make the fill to 0% so that we can apply filter options on this. Click on layer options, select color overlay, select some pale colors so that your effect looks better. I'll choose some kind of green like this. Okay. Make this to linear burn. And now let's apply some bevel and emboss. So let's apply pillow emboss for this. Let's keep the technique smooth. Let's put maximum depth, direction to up, and let's apply some size around 10. Let's apply soften to 2. Using global light, let's use around some 50 degrees. Altitude to some 25. Highlight mode to some linear dodge and color as white. let's make opacity to 15. Basically you can play around with these until you get the satisfied results. Let's make the shadow mode to linear burn, color black, and apply 15% opacity. So this looks better for me, and I have chosen these settings. Now click on OK, and you have this. Let's distort this as per the texture on the towel on the background that you see. For this we will be applying the displacement which we have saved earlier. Go to filter, distort, and displace. So let's keep horizontal scale of 10 and vertical scale of 10. Stretch to fit for the displacement map, and undefined areas to repeat edge pixels. As soon as you click OK, you will be prompted to choose the displacement map that you have saved earlier. Select that. Now you have some more realistic look. Let's refine those edges. For that, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Let's keep 1 pixel. 1.2 should look fine. Okay. Now I'll show you how to apply the second color for the footsteps. We have rectangular marquee tool still active. Select this and select the same areas that you have selected earlier. And click on mask. Now to get back the footsteps again, I hit on Ctrl J and select the layer mask here and press Ctrl I. Now I choose the color overlay here and change my color to some dark contrast color and select OK. That's it. And this is a brief tutorial about displacement in Photoshop. So these kind of effects look better with the backgrounds like Terycloth towel used in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Please click on subscribe to get more tutorials like this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.